Hey there, it's Clara from AcuPro Academy, and today let's talk about cupping therapy. It is one of the oldest, most used globally natural medical treatment in history. It has been used for thousands of years in China, but also in ancient Greece, Egypt, the Middle East, and Europe. In ancient times, bamboo, clay cups, or even animal horns were initially used. Nowadays, the most common types used in clinical practice are glass cups, which requires a flame to create a vacuum effect before the cup is placed on the skin. Plastic cups require a gun to draw the skin into it. And silicone cups are easy to use by just squeezing them with the fingers. The functions and benefits of cupping therapy include moving blood and improving circulation for muscle tension and stiffness, arthritis, sports injury, fibromyalgia, and more. Cupping is also used for women's issues, especially for menstruation pain. Also helps expel external pathogens to relieve colds and flus, but also can help patients with asthma, bronchitis, and allergies. It is a great detoxifier and used often for hangovers. It is also used for lymphatic drainage and those who have a lot of water retention, edema, and toxicity. And finally, it is fantastic to release fascia for those with a lot of pain and stiffness. The most common applications of cupping therapy are fixed cupping. A single or multiple cups are placed on a painful area or an acupuncture point and are retained for 5 to 15 minutes. Quick cupping, placed on an acupuncture point and removed immediately, then repeated many times over. This is often used for very weak and deficient people. Oiling a large area and moving the cup back and forth while the suction is in effect is often used for fascia release and lymphatic drainage. With needle cupping, a cup is placed over a needle which has been inserted in an acupuncture point, and that is used to enhance the action of that point. And finally, wet cupping, where a cup is placed over an acupuncture point that has been pricked by a lancet needle prior to cupping it, and then drawing blood from the body with the cup. That is used mostly to detoxify. Cupping therapy should be performed by a qualified practitioner, and it is not recommended on sensitive or broken skin, or also for people with excess hair, especially moving cup or firing cup, as well as on the lumbar or abdominal region of pregnant women. And yes, cupping therapy may result in bruises, which generally dissipates within 3 to 10 days. And that's why Chinese medicine rocks!